It is on 1.
Aiden, what did you do?
Exploded.
Did a juice box.
So why isn't it working?
I don't know, man.
Aiden. Why is it not working?
I don't know, man.
It's because of all the goose cocks.
What is goose gocks? Boy, answer me. We got and blue light. No, I'm gonna take off the cover again. I thought this would be real cool, but now I'm just cringing.
I thought it was fitting.
What would be wrong?
I don't know, man.
Why does it keep stopping and
This
starting
computer
again?
does not support gender equality.
What?
What does that mean?
It's racist.
That's not.
You brought gender equality and racism.
Amazing block.
Is the RAM not slotted in the right slots?
That could be it, because you kind of guessed, didn't you?
Yeah. Yep.
Wait.
It's spinning, but the video no videoing.
Should we just do like 1 and 2?
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. It wouldn't be 1 and 4. That's weird as fuck. And watch it be 1 and 4.
Do they both have to be in the right slots?
I mean, you need some RAM. Otherwise, it should have
'Cause,
shown
like,
us something saying
if one of them was the right slot,
it would have still
then we would just have 8 gigs of RAM.
What's Pro N?
Here you go. Camera time.
All right. It's on my head. Huh? It doesn't matter. If wait, does Bluetooth have a wired thing that plugs into the computer?
No.
Yeah, we need wired then.
Alright.
It's on your hat.
Yeah.
That's funny.
The keyboard's pretty sick though, right?
Oh, hey, hey, man.
Wait. What if I click the I symbol?
Corny.
What? Just a moment.
I'm feeling corny.
Never say that again.
I'm kidding.
Just a moment, Jackson. No, we don't want access to the browsing data.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
We could
let's turn all this off.
Alright.
It's a desktop.
If I lose it, I think I'll have bigger problems.
If you lose the PC. Yeah.
It did just grow legs and walk away. No thanks.
I forgot you had an Android.
Yeah.
Just a moment, please.
Just a moment.
I mean, I am Hispanic.
Is it a verb?
Yeah.
Tonight on Bottom Gear, we have befriended one of the locals.
You need cracker cam?
God, give me some cracker.
Cracker cam. I feel like that's just like the sound.
Three layers.
Lunch is ready.